In this video, I am going to show you how to take a screenshot using 3 fingers. We all know that we can take a screenshot on any Android phone by pressing the power button and volume down button. Here you can see that you can take the screenshot. But using the 3 finger gestures also you can take a screenshot. Let's see how to do that. Here are the 3 fingers. Simply swipe down like this. It will take a screenshot. It will take the screenshot anywhere you want. Here you can see that. Yeah. To take a partial screenshot, what you can do is press and hold on the screen and select the portion. That's it. You can see that the screenshot has been taken. Now if you want to take a long screenshot, that is scrolling screenshot, press and hold and swipe down like this. It will take a scrolling screenshot. Here you can see that it is automatically taking a long screenshot. If you are okay with that, simply click on done. The long screenshot has been taken. So that's it guys. In this way you can take a screenshot using 3 fingers. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.